Yes, the world has changed. You're not imagining. In case you haven't noticed yet, getting ahead in society can often be challenging and require a lot of hard work, dedication, and perseverance. There may be obstacles such as competition, economic downturns, or personal setbacks that make it difficult to achieve your goals. However, it's important to remember that challenges and setbacks are a natural part of the journey toward success. It's okay to struggle, fail, and make mistakes along the way. In fact, these experiences can be valuable opportunities for learning and growth. Here are a few strategies that may help you overcome some of the challenges of getting ahead in society. Stay focused on your goals. It can be easy to get distracted by setbacks or other people's successes, but try to stay focused on your own goals and what you need to do to achieve them. Develop resilience. Resilience is the ability to bounce back from setbacks and stay motivated in the face of challenges. Practice self-care, build a support network, and develop a growth mindset that focuses on learning from mistakes. Seek out mentorship. Mentors can provide valuable guidance, advice, and support as you work towards your goals. Look for people who have achieved success in your field and ask for their advice and insights. Continuously learn and develop new skills. The world is constantly changing, and it's important to stay up to date with new technologies, trends, and best practices in your field. Continuously learning and developing new skills can help you stay competitive and adapt to new challenges. Remember, success is a journey, not a destination. It's also true that success and getting ahead in society can mean different things to different people. It's important to identify your own values, goals, and definition of success and pursue a path that aligns with them. It's important to stay motivated, be patient, and keep pushing forward even when the going gets tough.